So I think we are live now. Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh and PNB SO Managers 2020 notification is out, and today we are going to discuss this notification, everything about the PNB SO Manager 2020. That's what we are going to discuss today. That's what the topic of today's video. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, let me tell you one thing, that I have started a proper channel, Telegram channel for PNB SO Scale 2, Scale 3 officer. For all the Scale 2, Scale 3 level exams, I have a special channel on Telegram. You can join me there, right? So let me just share this, particular video on my Telegram channel. So it's there. Okay, so that's all. So let's start the session. If there is any doubt in your mind regarding the vacancies, if there is any doubt regarding the syllabus, you can anyways ask me anytime. Okay, so let's start the session. Just give me a minute. Okay. So let's start important dates. So the date for the registration, this will start on 8th of September. So it has been already started. ये start हो चुकी है. You can apply right now. 29th of September is the last date. So tentative date of the examination is October or November. So you don't have much time for the preparation. Most probably the exam would be conducted in the month of November. So you just have exactly around 1 month for the preparation. So number of vacancies available for manager risk, the maximum number of posts are there in the credit manager, and for risk there are 160 posts. So in all these are scale 2, and there are like 90 posts in the scale 3. So risk, credit, treasury, law, architect, civil, economic, HR. So I'm going to provide syllabus, I'm going to provide the notes, study material for risk, credit, treasury, law, HR, these posts. For architect, civil, and maybe economic, I'm not going to do any course, right? But for the rest of that vacancies, I have the proper study material, and I'll be sharing that study material with you on this YouTube channel and on the Telegram channel. Obviously on YouTube there is no possibility to share the study material, but on the Telegram channel there is a possibility to share the study material. So please ask your doubts. Eligibility criteria for manager risk scale 2: bachelor's, masters in maths, science, economic, FRM, PRM, DT, IRM, MBA, finance, CA, CWA, CFA, PG, PF, PBF with minimum 60% in aggregate. ठीक है. So one thing to be noticed is that this one is separate. Bachelor, masters in mathematics, statistics, economics, FRM, PRM, MBA in finance, CA, CWA, CFA. See, the students slash is there, so 60% is required if you have done PG, PBF. So one question, common question, do I need to score 60% if I have done CA? No. You just need to qualify. If you are a qualified chartered accountant or a CFA, 60% requirement is not there for you. ठीक है. Desirable certification in the risk certification examination in risk and financial services, or certificate course in risk management, NIBM. अगर आपने ये कर रखा है, you'll get additional marks at the time of interviews. लेकिन written exam में इसका कोई validity नहीं है. Age as on 1st of July 2020, minimum 25, maximum 35. Please remember that. Work experience required: minimum 1 year of post qualification work experience in bank, PSU, corporate, high value credit, NBFC. So if you have 1 year of work experience in a bank and you have done your bachelor or masters in maths or statistics, if you have done bachelor's in statistics or mathematics, BSc mathematics, you are eligible. In economics you are eligible, or FRM, PRM, DT, IRM, MBA finance, even then you are eligible. ठीक है. From UGC recognized universities or colleges only, right? For the risk management, the minimum age is 25, maximum is 37. but 3 year of work experience is required post qualification. That is to be noted. Post qualification work experience is required. अगर आपने during the your job you attained you have done CFA during your job, after the CFA you need 3 year of work experience. ठीक है. So again, bachelor's or master's in mathematics, statistics, economics, or FRM, PRM, DT, IRM, MBA in finance, CA, CWA, CFA, PGPF, minimum of 60% in aggregate. ठीक है. तो eligibility criteria is same for the risk and the manager risk and the senior manager risk. ठीक है. So please remember, but the only difference is the post qualification experience requirement 1 year in case of risk manager scale 2, in case of senior manager scale 3 it is 3 year. तो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस के रिक्वायरमेंट का कुछ अलग है, बाकी एवरीथिंग इज सेम. नो स्केल 1 वैकेंसी, हाँ नो स्केल 1 वैकेंसी, स्केल 1 में कोई वैकेंसी नहीं है. ठीक है. एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर मैनेजर क्रेडिट. सो ये रिस्क था, अभी मैनेजर क्रेडिट. मैनेजर क्रेडिट मिनिमम 25 years, मैक्सिमम 35 years. सीनियर मैनेजर इट इज 25-37. ठीक है. So essentials, CA, CWA, MBA in finance or PGDBM in finance, ठीक है, और equivalent post graduation degree diploma from any AICTE approved institution. So if you have done MBA, normal MBA, or if nothing is mentioned, like just MBA is mentioned, even then you are eligible. If you are an MBA in e-commerce or financial technology, such qualifications are there, then you are eligible as well. So but here 60% is required. ठीक है, 60% is required here. Okay. So just a second, students. Senior manager credit. So let me get my phone. If there is any doubt, please ask. So let's continue. Sorry for that. So minimum 25 years, maximum 25 to 35. So senior manager minimum 25, maximum 37. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे 1 year का post qualification experience, यहाँ पे 3 years का post qualification experience. ठीक है. So rest of the things are ये desirable है. These are desirable, not essential. ठीक है. These are desirable, not essential. So if you have done MBA, 60% is required. MBA में ज़्यादा लोगों के 60% आते हैं. So exam pattern is there. Reasoning 50 questions, 50 marks. English language 50 questions, 25 marks. Quantitative aptitude 50 questions, 50 marks. Professional knowledge 50 questions, 75 marks. A lot of you are gonna get confused कि ये financial awareness का syllabus बिल्कुल इस exam के syllabus के बिल्कुल same है नहीं है. It's different. So सबसे पहले the syllabus for the reasoning ability, it's same coding, decoding, syllogism, machine input, output, puzzles, sitting arrangement. So if 50 questions are there, at least 20 would be from here. Like 5 questions from machine input, output, logs, coding, decoding, directions as sense test, 2 3 questions, right? So data sufficiency, it could be there, and then 5 questions from critical reasoning. Reading comprehensions, like there will be 3 reading comprehensions, 30 marks, right? So reading comprehensions and vocab would be part of these 30 marks only. Then para jumbles, maybe 5 questions, error spotting, maybe 10 questions, and then 5 to 10 questions from close test. Quantitative aptitude, like 3 to 4 sets, I can say 20 marks in that data interpretation only. Then number series, maybe 5 marks. There could be approximation as well instead of number series. In सारे topics में से like 1 or 2 question each, 1 to 2 question each. Then quadratic equation, like 1 to 2 question each from these topics as well. ठीक है, 1 to 2 question. Probability, sometime it's there, sometime it's not. 1 to 2 question from profit and loss. Sometime quadratic equation जो होती है, and there will be 4 to 5 questions quadratic equation. So most important part, professional knowledge. That's why you are here. Risk manager. For the risk manager, ये थोड़ा सा different होगा for a lot of you. RBI circulars are very very important. Ratio analysis is very very important for the risk manager. ठीक है. And then cost of capital, capital budgeting, time value of money. ये तो simple pure FM हो गया. This is simple pure FM. Calculators are not allowed. Pure FM is there. Then types of bonds, bond valuation would be there. Corporate debt and funding alternatives. asset-backed securities, securitization, credit analysis, the process of credit rating and all, evaluating credit quality, types of risk, various types of risk, interest rate risk, liquidity risk, default risk. So derivatives, various types of derivatives. We need to go in depth about derivatives, pricing of derivative, valuation of derivative, forward, futures, options, alternative investments. So market organization and structure, positions and leverages, order execution and validity, fixed income securities, their valuation, risk and return, bond indentures, regulations and taxation, fixed income markets, issuance, trading of fixed income securities, then portfolio management, portfolio risk and return measures, covariance and correlation, little bit of statistics, systematic risk, beta and CAPM. This is the syllabus for the risk management. Seems to be like piece of cake, and it is actually piece of cake. It is not very difficult. Doable, easily doable within a month. I'm gonna help you. Okay. Then professional knowledge for credit manager. For credit manager, similar to that, working capital ratio analysis, capital budgeting, it's there. And then short-term financing, long-term financing, money market, capital market, portfolio management, YTM, duration, convexity, risk management, it is there, right? थोड़ा सा देखिए, risk manager, the syllabus of risk manager is much more vast than credit manager. Risk manager का syllabus बहुत vast है. And then the treasury, the syllabus of treasury and credit officer is quite similar, but there are other topics such as the treasury management, treasury policy, RBI circulars related to RBI circulars सब में है. RBI circulars, you need to do RBI circulars anyway. If you're preparing for a scale 2, scale 3 exam, any scale 2, scale 3 exam, you need to prepare for RBI circulars. So these are pure, FM, working capital management, ratio analysis, time value of money, then treasury management, treasury policy, capital budgeting. So risk management, short-term financing, long-term financing, money market, capital market, portfolio management, yield curve, duration, convexity and risk management. ठीक है, तो ये बेसिक मोटा मोटी सिलेबस है. ठीक है, इसको ध्यान में रखें. ठीक है, then for the risk management, additional subjects, topics are there. Fixed income securities is also there in risk management. ठीक है, risk में I guess I have already covered the risk manager. I have already covered that. So student, that is the syllabus that I have till now. अगर आपके mind में कोई question है, please ask your questions. ठीक है, please ask your questions. Anyway, I'm sharing important notes on my Telegram channel. So ask your questions. Let me get my phone. ओके, एक ही एग्ज़ाम था, उसमें एक्सपीरियंस मांग लिया. IBPS से आएगा क्या? IBPS SO नोटिफिकेशन वुड बी आउट विद इन 2 months बिकॉज क्लर्क आ गया, PO आ गया, तो SO भी आएगा, वैकेंसीज भी ज़्यादा आएंगी. ठीक है सर, परसेंटेज क्या चाहिए MBA में? इन सम ऑफ द पोस्ट 60% इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. ठीक है, डिज़ायरेबल सर्टिफिकेशन इज़ मैंडेटरी? नो, इट इज़ नॉट मैंडेटरी, इट इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, इट इज़ डिज़ायरेबल एज द नेम सजेस्ट. I have required a bank experience, essential qualification. However, desired qualification. It is desired qualification, not essential. If you don't have the desired qualification, maybe आपको 1-2 नंबर एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिलेंगे, but still you are eligible. ठीक है सर, मार्केटिंग के लिए नहीं है? नहीं, मार्केटिंग के लिए नहीं आया है. TCS BPO experience, I don't think it is you're eligible. Chalo, that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. I have answered all your doubts. Still, if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Even if you don't have the experience in banks, see the experience for the risk manager, right? Minimum 1 year of post qualification experience in bank, PSU, corporate, NBFC. Even if you have experience in a corporate and in a company, you are eligible. If you have experience in a company, you are eligible. ठीक है, no problem. खाली बैंक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, बाकी भी एक्सपीरियंस है तो चलेगा. लॉ के लिए एक्सपीरियंस, आई विल बी शेयरिंग the video for the law officer tomorrow. For the law officer, for the HR officer, for the credit, for the risk, I'll be making separate videos tomorrow. So stay updated and follow my channel here, my Telegram channel, RRB GBO. That is for the scale 2, scale 3. I have make this one channel. Very, very important. Follow me on this channel. That's very, very important for you. That's all for today, students. Like this video and share this video with your friends. So thank you and have a very, very nice day. Bye-bye.